Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good evening. Such a beautiful, beautiful evening. So I am just in the mood of making some crème de marron, chestnut paste, and chestnut spread, and cream, and nothing more complicated. Nothing more than this. Just use my drained yogurt and the chestnut paste. Yeah. Some friends say this is not a dessert. This is kind of a cheating because there is no cooking involved. And it is true, there is no cooking involved. It's just something that I feel is very soothing, not too strong flavor, not too much sugar, not too many things. Perfect for me. So we open it up. So here it is. And this is the chestnut paste. You can see, oh, this is so good. It's very sweet, not overly sweet. It's a natural sweet. You put 1 or 2 big spoons, depends on how much you like it. We will go a little bit overboard to put this much and blend it, and that's it. Nothing complicated, and it becomes such a smooth cream. Oh, I love it. Let me blend it. And then we give it a try and see how it is. Because the yogurt has been drained for a couple of days, maybe 2 days or 3 days, so it's quite thickened. You can use a machine, but I wanted tonight not to make too much noise, so I use hand blender. Now we can give it a try. And I usually put into a small container. Let's first try it. I feel it's just good. I want to be a little bit more luxury. And this you can buy in some specialty shop. You may find this chestnut spread. It's so very good. So I can put into my little container. If I am not finishing it, I put into little container, little yogurt jar, so that I will not overeat in one shot. I am one of those people that cannot hold on to things. I need to finish something. I cannot. If I see something, I finish it. If I have something, I finish it. I just do not have that ability to stop. I know there are some strong people in this world. They can control themselves and eat one spoonful. People are different. Some prefer to do it slowly. I just do not have that capacity. And so the way to make my life livable, to make myself having a little bit control, is to make it a little bit more serious. Okay, a little bit more, yeah, not more than this. One day, one part, another day, another part. Not much more than this. This should be sufficient. And then cover it up. Then we can put in refrigerator. We are learning about percussion. I'm doing some project with my students about percussion. This is a good thing to do. Isn't it fun? So put into refrigerator. Now we can enjoy this. I think today I deserve to have some. Oh my goodness, do not ask. Do not ask if I have finished, if I am going to finish the other two little bottles. It's hard to control. When something is good like this, it is a challenge to control yourself. Okay, so how do I make this yogurt? I mean, the drained yogurt or Greek yogurt. Oh, it's too good. Just too good. Okay, so when I love this chestnut paste. Sometimes I use my lemon curd, mango lemon curd, the same thing, jam, blend it and eat the cream with the jam. It's also very delicious, very, very good. So how I make this drained yogurt, this is the yogurt I made. Put into refrigerator overnight. Now it's good. And then we drain it. So as you can see, each time 3 or 4 little pot of yogurt can make about half. It's roughly half of it is water. It drains out half of the quantity as water. Right? Seems not okay. We are right. You can see the water is starting to drain out. And this one we have just tried. This much of water, whey comes out. Okay, leave in refrigerator. 1 day becomes quite thickened. 2 days or 3 days actually become almost like farm cheese. That is it. Thank you very, very much. I love you. I really do. Do. Oh my goodness. Bye bye. Bon appetito. If chocolate is your thing, Nutella, chocolate cream, chocolate fudge, or yeah, other things you can put. You get the idea.